Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will learn how to grab individual entries from our table. So that means, for example, you have a really big table with 100,000 entries, so you have naturally a couple of errors. It's normal thing, it will happen. So question is how to get only individual unique entries. Right, so first let's import a couple of duplicates here. For example, Bill Gates. Okay, so insert into friends, next line, values, null for automatic ID, and name will be Bill, and last name will be Gates. Of course, we must state it exactly like it is in original report. And what else? Phone number. I think that everything is cool now. And let's also import let's import John Smith once more time. So values, null, and John and Smith. And what was the number? 111333, very expensive number. And there you go, now we have duplicates. So what is the command here? Check this out. Select distinct, and now you need to say in what kind of columns you are searching for unique data, and that will be all three of these in this specific case because the table is small. Name and last name and telephone, but don't use ID, okay? But the moment when you include ID, you will get them all, so that is not purpose. Just when you're searching for unique stuff, don't use ID. You're basically destroying the purpose of this command here. So search only by some individual characteristics like strings and telephone number and so on. Right, so where I was. Select distinct name, last name, telephone from, of course, from our target, and target is friends. And I think that everything will be fine. So there you go. We have only individual items here. Now let's select everything, okay, to see what's up. Select all from friends. And now we have a couple of them. Okay, so on position 15 we have Bill Gates and 16 John Smith. Now the reason because there is a space between 11 and 15 is I messed up recording a couple of times this video, so I needed to insert and the record video and mess things up and delete the damn thing. So anyway, just remember that general structure of command is this: select distinct, and then you'll state column, specific one, I don't know what's your case, like column 3 for example, and from where? From some table. And don't forget to close your command. So that's pretty much it. You can practice a little bit if you like. I mean, the thing is very simple. So pay attention to something here. See, when we are listing by distinct, we have 5 rows, so 5 results, and when we are of course grabbing everything, we have different number of results. So that's maybe something that you need to realize for reference. Okay, so anyway, I'm just gonna shut up. This was relatively easy. Thank you for watching as always. Thank you for support and subscription. See you next tutorial.